Okay, good morning everyone. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing good. I am aching this morning, wow. Okay, so welcome to a beautiful another week over here. So let me take this off here. Morning, Christine, hope you're doing well. Good morning. Okay, so welcome. Let me there. Looks like if we look at the start of this day, yeah, Asian session has not done much at all. Wow. Asian session has not done much at all. Interesting. Let me let's get that on. So yeah, very interesting. There has not really been much going on through Asian session, which makes life a little bit easy, because normally when we range through Asian session, we normally get a nice push in London, so that'll be quite interesting. So let's get into this over here. So let's just get rid of all this crap. Okay, so daily time frame over here on GJ. Let's do this for the time being. Daily time frame on GJ obviously closed bearish below, closed below resistance. Obviously overall still very bullish. This week is going to be dictated by the news that comes out on Wednesday, which is the CPI. Okay, I'll just show you here. Yeah, this core CPI and CPI is going to be very important, showing inflation. That's probably where GJ is going to move for the most of this week. So yeah, daily time frame bearish. The 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see we're just ranging here. Small candles, big wicks of a huge support at 171321. That there, like that. Good job. And then, if you look to the lower time frames over here, I mean, overall very bullish. As I said, the daily time frame is it's still above, all the previous resistance. But in terms of the left hand side, where can I expect price to continue for buys? Well, yeah, 174,600. Around these areas here is probably a daily target. So let me just write that on like that. So I'm just looking at the biggest point, and you seem to push to there. There's also minor ones that come to here as well. So look at every single time we spike up, where do we tap in this daily level? Keeps on tapping at 135,250. Okay. So then going to the lower time frames, kind of seeing what's going on here. As you can see, as I said, for 4 hours, a little bit sleepy here. But in terms of the 30-minute time frame, you can see really here that we have a support 171,250. Okay. Below that, we do have obviously a little bit of support at 170. Sorry, 171. So I do expect potentially a sell could occur if you get oh shit, if you get a closure below 171,040 right there, because that's obviously the choppiness. If you get it below, we should push all the way to at least the previous highs, which is like there, like that. And then I think there, that would be pretty good. So if you go like this, there, sells below 171,037. I'll just make sure that makes it into 15. I think it was a little bit lower. Yeah, it was. Okay. Yeah. Below this little support here. So literally below like 171, pretty much. So 170.984. Now, in terms of buys, as I said, in the outlook last night for members, you know, buys at these highs can be quite hard, just for the fact that you don't know how hard they're gonna push, and they seem to reject. You know, just when you come to highs at GJ, that tends to what happens. So, I have to be a little bit cautious here. But yeah, I'm not really too asked about looking for buys on GJ, just because of the way they push. You know, buys at GJ, especially all higher time frame highs, are normally riskier than they are rewarding. They tend to, you know, give maybe 8-7 pips and then come back to entry, a lot of break even areas. So yeah, I'm not really too asked about taking obvious buys if the zones are not clean. I mean, as you can see here, there's not really anywhere that I would want to take them anyway. You know, maybe a buy above 172, 127, but it's just not really the nicest zone. So it's fine. In terms of Goldie, let me just sync this one. So in terms of gold there, over here. So yeah, nothing really here on GJ until we get below that level. Goldie obviously had a big spike on the Friday. I think it was Friday. Yeah, at 4 o'clock. Okay, yeah, it was quite a huge spike actually. So if we get rid of this, let's go on the daily time frame. Oh, yeah, daily time frame. We closed bullish. Okay, the previous daily time frame closed bullish towards the end of that with a big spike up. We didn't close still above resistance though. If you look here, I want the price to close above, you know, there. We haven't done so yet, so still pretty bearish. We have just retested it actually. We have retested that support, rejected off it. So yeah, still a little bit bullish, bearish over here. Overall trend is still bullish if you look from the big scale of things, but you know, retracements are needed. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame just closed bearish below as well, so that's quite nice. But if you look to the left hand side, so it's bearish below current support, which is there, that little one there. But if you look to the left hand side here, we have so much support there at 1975. So yeah, got to be a little bit cautious about how strong those levels are. We pushed all the way back up there, which is pretty mad. So if you take a look to the lower time frames, like the 30-minute, yeah, obviously we have a level of support which is like, you know, down here, 1974. So yeah, I mean, a strong closure below there would be probably the most sufficient. Obviously we have a low there which is 1970, which I think was the whole low again. So if I was to be cautious of these sells, yeah, I mean, potentially a sell below 1973 to get down to 1970, and then 1970 all the way down to potential running lows, which would be nice. Very, very nice. So yeah, I mean, in terms of recent price, I think 970 would be the easiest. But I think even below 974 you'd be okay. Sorry, 973.4. So let's just write that on. 973.4. But yeah, I think everyone's week was really, really good, man. It was a pretty good week last week. So In terms of news this week as well, it's not the most aggressive, which is nice. Which is pretty good. So yeah, sells below 1970 from 48, obviously. So clean below. Morning, markets are still asleep. Yeah, markets are still a little bit asleep over here. But hopefully it'll come back into gear shortly. We'll see, we'll see. How's everyone in the YouTube? Hope you guys are doing well. Up bright and early. But yeah, looks like it's just been a little bit slow through Asian session, so we've got to wait for this volume to kick in. But those are the sells for gold. In terms of the buys, buys would just be buys above 1992 buys, yeah. That would be great. Like that. Good job. Morning, champ. Yeah, winter's here and it's so cold. Ooh. Really? It's only just getting sunny here. Let me just write on the schedule here. So let's do this. So yeah, this week I'm going to a wedding, which would be fun. Kaylin's mum's wedding, so that'll be nice. Let me just write that on there. London was very nice as usual. Hella busy, like, but it was great fun. Yeah, I actually fancy doing the M&W webinar today. Just a bit about more entries and what things to look for, when to enter, and all that kind of stuff. There we go. Sick. Okay, I have buys above 1984.3. Buys above 1984.3. 1984.3. Yeah, I don't know if I can see that. It's on the hourly. What was that question? You ever arrange your room and feel like a new man? Yeah, I used to love doing that when I was younger, man. I used to love doing that when I was younger. That was a vibe. Very, very good. Yeah, man, London was sick. With Camden Market was good. That was the first time I've ever been to there. Even the Battersea Power Station went there as well. That was sick. So busy though, man. I literally did so many steps. Too many steps. EJ, yeah, EJ's kind of just choppy over here, arranging, maybe below 148, 800. But yeah, not too bad. Make sure you like the stream, guys. If you're new here as well, make sure to subscribe. We're here every single morning. See, Man City have won the title. Very, very nice. They won the title. Good morning, Max. Good morning, champ. Yeah, winter's here. That's mad. I find that so fascinating that winter's coming in another part of the world. Oof. Winter is coming.
Good morning, Matt.
Good morning, good morning. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm not too bad. Were you out last night?
No, it was Saturday.
Oh.
It just feel like it was last night, though.
Damn, boy.
You know what's crazy is that the club burned down after it.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I left the like one and it burned down the like 130.
Fucking hell. From what?
They don't know. Maybe it's like an insurance claim they're trying to like get it. Because how the fuck is it just gonna burn for nothing?
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Morning, champ. Good morning. This man says things on fire wherever he goes. I think there was a fire in Newcastle, but I don't know if it was fire. Yeah, again.
Another one.
What's that? Look at that. Someone
Oh
just put a
shit.
fucking... Yeah, put like a... My god.
Someone's
Damn.
just laughing.
Yeah, that's quite bad, that. No good. No good.
GJ looks so nice. Oh my god.
Yeah, looking pretty interesting this morning. We'll see when the volume kicks in though, man, because Asian's done absolutely nothing. 2 minutes.
Yeah, same with gold. So
Exactly.
I'm looking for sales.
Did you guys take any trades on Friday when I left?
Oh,
After.
30-minute salary on gold. At least we didn't. I didn't take it because I already took like 3 winning trades, but I called it out.
Very nice.
I don't know where it is though. Is it that? Oh, I think it wicked back up. That was the thing. So it might be that, but it like pushed down very nicely. Oh, it's there. Wait, you see that 30-minute with a big wick before the news? Yeah, that.
Yeah.
No, one more. Yeah, there.
Oh, yeah.
Same candle stops.
Yeah, that's decent. Yeah, it looks like GJ had one as well. I think Raja took that one. Right, to an order block there. Nice little push.
You see GJ returning again, like most of the time does. So we pushed up in the morning and then we just retraced everything.
Yeah. I love a salary like that when there's no top wick on the previous one. So this one here, would we have taken this one? So let's take a look. Right, this was obviously support there. This is obviously resistance, you know, up there in these areas there. So what you have to do is go, right, okay, we've closed into a new zone. Is the zone quite clean? Well, you push this quite quickly to here. Obviously very, very bullish. Stop loss is very tight. You could maybe get a 1-to-1. Yeah, it could have been alright. Nice little push. Took the WGJ at 1940. A W on the 5. Yeah, I've been still seeing people sending me loads of W's and stuff. Oh, here somewhere. Yeah, very nice, very nice. What is gold good level buy and sell? Gold is just ranging at the moment. Yeah, it's just hovering around at the moment. An Asian session did it as well. So just gotta wait for volume to come in. Gotta wait for a little bit of kick of volume, and then you should be good. Oh yeah. But yeah, in terms of London, London hasn't been bad this month actually. It's been not too bad. It's been getting there, and actually, NYSE's not been bad either. It's just the gap before that's been really slow. News today. So in terms of today, there is not much news at all. No, there's nothing. So that's good. That's good. So you'll see this probably moving, you know, towards 7 o'clock, 7:30, bringing some volume in. Yeah, I went to go see Mamma Mia one. That was a fucking vibe. Love a bit of ABBA, like. Which song was my favorite? Probably this one. Bull on the weekend as well. Well, he doesn't play anymore, but I saw Jermaine Defoe and Selfridges is like, oh, that guy. I recognize that dude. Oh my god, it's fucking Jermaine Defoe. And then I check online, he's in like a big like scandal as well. Like he's got a new girlfriend. I was like, oh my god, that was the person he was with. Like, to just search it, just show Caitlyn. And then yeah, look. Jermaine Defoe is moving into a £3 million mansion with a new lover. I'm like, oh my god, I saw them. Oh my god, that's them there.
I'm looking for sales below 1973 472.
Yeah. Yep. I agree. I think that would be spiffing. To get to maybe 1970, but then also to continue further would be good. Fucking hell, this is nothing.
Yeah. Do you remember what I said about the 4 hour on gold? You see how the 4 hour closed below the previous ones?
Yep.
And then
continues. Yeah. That kind of just pushed like there. Yeah, it did. Fucking hell, I just dropped like 30 pips in like 3 minutes. Very nice. So yeah, how's everyone doing in the chat? I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys had a nice weekend as well. I'm full to say the least. I had so much food in the weekend.
what was the worst thing you ate during the weekend?
What do you mean? In terms of calories?
Yeah.
It's all pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. Well, pizza's gotta be up there. But I'm trying to think. Mac and cheese. Oh mate, bro, all of the scram was fucking beautiful. I had, right, literally all of it. I had the best pizza, one of the best pizzas I've ever had. It was fucking beautiful. I had like Wagyu beef on it with white truffle mayo as well. Oh, it was beautiful. That was in Selfridges. I had French onion soup from Bar Bazaar, and that shit was fucking amazing. I love French onion soup. It was all good, to be honest. Apart from Camden Market, we got like the stupid Chinese, and it was awful. It was so bad. The meat was minging. But yeah, I enjoyed it, man. Battersea Power Station was sick. It's like a full like shopping center, but like in an old power station, and you can live in it as well. I was like, wow, that's sick. Yeah, it looked really cool inside. Look at that, it's massive. But you can live in it. You can live like on the side there and shit. And like it's proper bougie. Yeah, that's what it looks like inside. It's cool. It's really well done. GJ Potential M. I can't see a nice one there. AW10, you're the Magic Keys guy. I'll do that today. Yeah, you messaged me on TikTok, but for some reason I couldn't reply on TikTok. It just wouldn't let me. So I was like, fuck, I'm gonna have to wait for that dude to message me on Instagram.
What's up, TikTok guys?
Good morning, Elohe.
Good morning, buddy.
Good morning, good morning. So wow, looking like this goalie is pushing down. Very nice.
Yeah, I just have not had any confirmations,
Yeah.
But I was expecting it though. Just Asian ranges, and then the 4 hour finally starts moving, and then we continue on the direction.
Yeah, boy. How was did you go on Discord with Brian on Friday?
Me?
I think everyone, people in the chat, did you guys?
I was just talking with Tommy and what's his name? The Spanish guy with the motorcycle photo.
Brian.
No.
Is that Brian? Yeah, Brian.
No, Brian's not got a
No,
motorcycle.
wait, let me check.
Tommy, just one of the Tommies.
Yeah, one of the Tommys and
Daniel.
Daniel. Yeah, that was his name. Yeah, man, we were speaking for ages.
Oh my god.
I'm in from 1977.8. Very nice. Fucking hell, 1977.8. How?
90 what?
1977.8 going up here.
Ooh.
Tell me, boy. A few nice entries on Friday. Yeah, there was.
It was sick on Friday.
Yeah.
Everything was playing out, and then the news, bro. What? You see that so the candle that pushed up.
Yeah.
Like you could have just had the buy stuff above this high, the 1968, just to fill the range to the left.
Yeah. And
if you look on the 15, you have same candle stops. Stops weren't that big at all.
Yeah.
1968. So 18 pip stop.
Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all. 7 minutes left for this 15 to close, and also, yeah, just 15. So we'll see. I mean, if you can't get it below there, then I think 970 would be fine as well. We'll see. Max sell stop on gold? Nah, you gotta wait. For some closures here. You can see it's rejected this level before, so you've got to be a little bit cautious there if you're not in already. Just gotta wait for a closure.
The only thing I don't like doing is entering on the last 15 of the hour.
Yeah, it's a bit annoying.
It's something I hate to do.
Yeah, I agree. We go to the toilet. day, mates. Good day, Philip. Hope you're doing well. So we've got 3 minutes left for this 15 to close. 5 minutes salary. For 5 minutes.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Just wait for the hourly.
Just so clean. Look to the left. We came down, we went up. No struggles.
Yeah. There's a little bit of rejection though. I mean, the safest sells are below 1970.5. I know we've pushed there and it's clean before, but that is the easiest part for us.
19.7.5.
Yeah. 1970.5. There's nothing below that.
Jesus, your stops at 30 pips.
Yeah. That's the thing, so get 20 pips down there and then hold it a little bit longer. Or you could just wait for the hourly, but it might go off before that. I don't mind, I think I'm going to wait for the hourly here.
Yeah. I'm gonna do the same.
Hourly is scaring me. Yeah, it's only 15 close and always push quite a lot. If you look at the 4 hour as well, like for me, it's still an area where we can react off. We're still back above. If we have rejection there, we have a rejection there and there. I'd rather wait for it to close below there, and then I've got a huge zone.
Huge candle though, what the fuck?
Max, did it really take you 2 years to really understand and analyze the market for 30 tips? Yeah, I think it comes from getting the right education and learning from the right people, you know? I just sat on Livestream for 2 years and got it from there, really. Any advice? I'd say listen on streams, listen on to what everyone is saying. I mean, it's very, very simple as long as you understand how it moves in the zones.
Ooh.
And yeah. But
Just rejected.
exactly. I'd rather wait a little bit lower, I think. A little bit lower. Yeah, GA's just looking washed here. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how that CPI comes out, because that'll be interesting. Expecting 8.2%, so expecting a big decrease in inflation, so that'll be interesting to see.
What? For gold?
For GJ on Wednesday. That's
Yeah.
what I'm waiting for.
That's interesting.
Yeah, and they're hoping it's like low. If it isn't, then oof. Yeah, the prices in London. Holy mother of Jesus! Like, I got a pizza for like 30 quid. Fucking pizza for £30. Oh my god!
I went to cook yesterday for me and my friend, and I was like thinking, if we cook, it'll be cheaper. Bro, fucking spent 30 euros on fucking pasta and chicken.
Yeah, it's rough. I drank on one of the days, man. Like in the morning, just felt shit again. Like, this drinking is just not a vibe.
It's made you older.
I just don't like it anymore. I just really don't like it. I have 3 drinks. It'll make me want to stay out all night, and it'll just make me feel like an absolute arsehole the next day. Oh, 25 pips and gold close 8%. Very nice. Beautiful work. Well done. Yeah, getting it high up there was good.
The next day you see the hangover and don't compense.
Yeah, it's awful. Not a vibe at all. 130 people already this morning. Very nice.
I stop and drink alcohol.
Yeah, it's just the headaches in the morning and like just the feeling of just,
Man, I feel like I have a 80 years old in the next day.
yeah, I agree.
And I go see my wallet and my credit card. I say, oh my god,
Yeah, exactly. You spent like
what the
fucking
fuck I drink yesterday?
exactly. And then you just feel like shit, and all you want is a fat, greasy takeaway, and it just spirals, man. It's never like it just spirals into loads of things.
Just a lot of bad habits.
Yeah, exactly. It's,
But this is normal. You say, no, I just go for 1 hour, 2 hours. And when you see, forget, you never go back.
yeah.
When I do anything like partying, it's just next day I'm just smoking a lot, fucking eating, not going to the gym.
Smoke is normal, no?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You clutch my hair today.
You cut your hair today.
Yeah, I
Fresh
feel like
trim.
a hobman right now.
So we'll see this. I mean, yeah, it's hovering 970 though. I think is decent. We'll see when we get there.
$69.
Wow.
Next step.
No top wick on hourly could have been a big pullback on candle. Yeah, I get 6 pizzas for 30 quid in my country. Oh my god. I feel like selling so bad. Just wait out, right? There's 11 minutes left. For this.
How's your trip the other day, Max? Good?
Very good, yeah. Very, very good. Enjoyed it.
Nice, buddy.
And the underground stuff was good. I do enjoy using the underground, to be fair. Very fun. Max, did you come to London often? Yeah, I normally do. Yeah, Kate loves going. I like going. It's just a nice place. It doesn't take too long on the train. The train, though, the train on the way back was awful.
Why?
Because like the past 2 trains before us that were going like up north had cancelled, so they all jumped on our train. Therefore, we had no seats in our train.
What, you had to stand the whole time?
No, it was full. It was completely full. So we had to get a different train.
Oh,
But
I know.
but you can go if you don't have a seat, no?
But that was already filled. There wasn't even any room standing. It was completely full. And then, yeah, we got on ours, and they're like, oh, they've got no service on today for food and drink. I go, mate, I need a drink. I haven't had a drink all day. I ran fucking miles to get here. I've been waiting for an hour for a new train, and now I can't get a drink for another 2.5 hours. Oh my god. I had like no water that day as well. I was gasping. I ran off that train and legged it to McDonald's.
Max feeling like a camel.
Yeah, man. I was like a fucking dried up, I was like a dried up raisin. I was fucking dry. Like, man, I need some drink badly. It's awful.
was it hot?
Yeah, it was fucking sweaty, man. It was hot the whole time, man. I didn't even know why I brought a jacket because it was 20 degrees the whole time. It was roasting. Very, very hot.
See how we're losing volume?
Yeah. Slowing down a little bit.
I need to wake up my kids to bring to the school.
That's always fun.
Yeah, this is a hard life, Chico.
I remember when I was a kid, I wouldn't get out of bed for nothing. It used to be like I just lay in bed. Then my mom starts screaming.
I always
Sometimes I just go to the bed of my daughter and say, "Oh, I'm late. Let's go. Wake up. Just for she wake up quickly, you know."
If it works.
Yeah, it works sometimes. And sometimes she say, really, we are late? Okay, don't forget, we don't go today. Say, no, you need to go.
Max, you gonna put your kids in private school or normal school?
Absolutely no way. Normal school, yeah. Never private. No. It's a waste of money.
I don't put my kids in a private school if I knew like they taught different shit than normal school.
Yeah, but they don't. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Like.
Did you go private school or normal school?
No, normal school. But I know a lot of people that did go to private school, and they went to shitter unis than me. They didn't really know much about life. They were very bubbled up. So it's silly. It's stupid.
You know, guys, the private schools have a couple of things that's good. You know, like the normal school, you need to pick you up your kids 4:30. And I work 4:30. I have too many things to do around the day, you know. And the private school, you can take your kids out like a 6, 7, if you need.
Yeah, I hope so.
Well, I hope so. The private schools here are like 40K a year, like, bro.
Yeah, that's a lot.
More. I pay 700 a month.
Yeah.
700 a month?
Yeah.
There's just no point in it. It means they don't see like other people from different areas. Like they just it's normal spending for it.
This is not true, man. It's not true. You can put your kids in other things. You can do many things, you know.
Max, is Leeds going to stay up? I don't think so. Are they? Are we guaranteed Champions League now? I fucking hope so. Are we guaranteed Champions League now? Is there one more game? Oh, we've got one more game. Okay. I think we are guaranteed, aren't it? 38 games. If they win, they win 69. But we've got more goals. So I think we're guaranteed. Newcastle in the Champions? Nice. That's fucking sick.
Newcastle in the Champions League? Oh.
That's sick, that.
Moving up in the world?
I know.
I didn't. The first time you said talking about Newcastle, I was like, bro, Newcastle shit. They always big shit.
Look at that. But look at actually like what their stats were, right? 19 wins, 12 draws, 5 losses. They've literally had one more loss than City. That's fucking bad. They had 12 draws. They're just very, very good defensively. They've played amazing, man. Credit to them.
You sound very proud. I'm happy for you.
Yeah, it's good. It's good seeing your team actually win. So right now, a little bit of a W. Obviously, there's an untested area there, which you may come to, but yeah, not the nicest closure here. We'll see. I think 1970. I'm pretty happy with. What you could do is maybe a celery, break it a little there, maybe.
Guys, what is the new meme coin they're going to the sky? You see the new sunglasses of Apple?
Seen the what?
You mean Apple?
The sunglasses. It's coming up the next
next keynote. Yeah, I've seen that.
Maybe you can help me read the charts better. It's a lie. I already read them very good.
Yeah. What do you think about the W and gold? Yeah, I've just discussed it. It's decent. It's not at obvious support. It's below. And And also
Retesting now.
the retest is there now. The untested area is there. So yeah, you might be able to get a
I do
1-1,
like
but-
it though, to be honest. In terms of like, to me, you are at a support. The thing is, are we gonna reject you? That's the problem.
Yeah. I think it's maybe a little bit lower. It's not. It's with the wicks. It's fair, but I think it's.
I'm just not a big fan of fucking M's and W's anyway. So
Yeah. You just see them.
how big would your stops be? 73, 810.
Just
Oh, small
the
stops.
direction. It's already pretty bearish. I just don't like taking views. I mean, look, we just pushed down 50, 60 pips already. It's just like, oh, don't really want to be laying with a W here. I like kind of taking them with the trend and the other stuff around. Makes sense for me. For me, I'm quite bearish in this Goldie. Still struggling. Well, quickly about Newcastle is they finished third and they haven't even had oil money yet. Yeah, like you didn't really buy anyone. Like bought a couple people, integral people, but nothing that's really important.
Oh, I thought they already spent a shit ton of money.
No, not really. They spent a normal amount,
Do you guys still have that kid with a headband, with the LV headband?
Yeah. Shit, I fucking hate him. What's his name? Saint Maxwell. I've always hated him. The amount of time he just loses the fucking ball.
How come he's allowed to wear designer?
Nah, you got fined for every single time. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And he just decides on using it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you just a little fine. What's crazy about yeah, it's mad. I know it's good. GJ here, yeah, still not too much yet. We just gotta wait for some volume to kick in. So I mean, the 15 could be a celery. 17 pip stop, 22 pip gain. See how this closes.
I would need the 5 minutes close below those. Yeah, the 5 minute support.
Yeah.
Now I'm saying. Ooh. Well, I like how it looks now, to be honest.
Yep, it's got rejection from the previous zone. It's going to close.
Yeah, and the 15 is closing below my level.
So the new hourly has just opened. Very nice. Close below. So yeah, it looks good.
20 pips stop loss.
Yeah. Yeah, your stop could be previous 15, so 1974.45.
75.
1974.45 is what I can see. So let's make this a little bit of a top wick. But yeah, I mean, I'm thinking of maybe getting in there. Maybe get a 1-to-1 out of it. Yes, make a big top wick.
If you came up to the 15 high and then rejected off there, then it's even better.
On my IC markets, you haven't broken that low yet. Yeah, you haven't either. maybe get in like 1972.64.
So you'd have your stops above the previous 15, right?
Yeah, I mean it's not as safe, but it's
Yeah, that's the only thing.
this may make
Yeah.
a top wick here for the hourly.
And the profit, what, 69.49?
Like 970.3. So down here first, but then runners could be quite nice here. That's also a good thing. I'm just undecided where I should get on the break of the previous low or the break of the 30-minute low. I think break of the 30-minute low would be better. So stop loss is going to be there. Entry is going to be 3.0. Yeah, entry is actually 1972.30 is where I'm going to look for. So sell stop below here. My stop loss is going to be above there, for like 20 pips. Maybe get 20 pips out of it. It's a 30-minute closure below. So yeah, should be good. Looks clean down to 1967 area. Yeah, I mean, this is only a little minor support. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, seeing how we push, we could potentially hold a little bit further. Down to maybe 1969, maybe there.
The more it stays here, the more I like it.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, I like it when it kind of like hovers around you, then breaks quite aggressively. Just get zero drawdown. So yeah, just tap in the previous zone. When it wants to go, it should break that low, and then we should drive here pretty nicely. You should stop on the 30, the 15s, and the 15. Yeah. $19.74. Yeah, if you look at the hourly's closed below, which is great. Just making the top wick. Should break the low and then push. But yeah, that's a good part. I like it when it messes around here a little bit longer. Then gives the drive you want. 209 people, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new here as well. Still pretty early on. It's only 7 o'clock, which is nice. Thank you very much for subscribing.
And don't forget, put like, guys.
Yeah, boy. This is good. If this breaks 50-minute highs, I'm still not really last. I think it's, just making the hourly and the 30-minute top wick.
I'd actually want it to break.
Yeah.
And then come back. And then if it comes back, then you're sure about your stop loss. Because if it then re-breaks, then we're going up.
Yeah.
Only somebody one.
That'd be an idea set up. Hi Max, how are you? I'm good, I'm good. How are you, man? Feeling good?
Yes, this is what I want.
Yes, good.
Look, the 1 hour is then tapping that level to the left.
I mean, what you could do is use 30-minute stops.
Yeah.
And get in maybe the break of the low of the previous 15. Then you can use 30 stops.
Oh yeah, because we haven't broken the low yet, right?
No.
You think that's better? 15-minute lows and then 30-minute stops. 28 pips.
927.6. 1920.6. And stop loss is 1975.4. Yeah, I'm doing that. So I'm going to get in on the break of this low now. I'm going to use 30-minute stops above. Just gives me a little bit of a nicer, safer stop.
You're changing the enter?
When it breaks the 15-minute low, previous low. So like there. My entry, 1927.6. Like 5.8.
Like right now?
It's gonna do it in a second. It's like 1 or 2 pips away. Yeah, I'm in now. Okay, I took a sell here, guys. Stop loss is gonna be above the previous 30-minute.
75 stop loss?
75.4, yeah.
Good volume.
Down. Get rid of that now because I'm in. So yeah. Even to that line, 1969 would be, or 1970 would be great. Down. And yeah, runner potentially later on to like, 58 if you want to go retrace that whole move. That would be simply spiffing.
And the profit stayed the same, Max?
What do you
Like
mean?
7th?
Yeah, like maybe like 1970, that kind of area, yeah. Because there's a little bit of a support that we reacted off before. Here. Yeah.
Break even?
Not yet. Soon, yeah. So we just passed this wick. So now the next support is 969.7. So we should get to. So yeah, we'll just see. We'll just see. Nice little zero drawdown push there. But yeah, I'm just keeping an eye. Basically, what I'm looking at is these wicks. I know there's one there, and then I know there's one further below. We've just tapped the first one. But realistically, with this volume, we should. I mean, look at the hourly. We should get there. So, and our stop loss is very safe above. You know, we've got a good, nice stop. So that's good. Chill, bruv. Don't celebrate your wins. Yeah, people in the chat, just chill, man. Just chill, take your trade, and do your thing. So in the 5 minute, it looks like, yeah, it's got to go retest, right?
Baixa pouco, por favor.
Yeah, me too, Salam. Me too. Yeah, it's quite a big rejection there. We'll see. I mean, still 46 minutes left. Still a lot of time. It is just retesting on the 5 minute, which is fine. But yeah, it's quite a solid rejection. That's the only thing. That's okay so far. No real need to manage the moment.
I wanna make other coffee.
Another coffee. Okay, the 50 minute just closed. Yeah, still bearish. Yeah, I'll manage risk like once the 30 starts closing, maybe. But yeah, I mean, we got in. Yeah, it's about it's about the half mark, which it's near the break where I'd want to go break even, but it's. Yeah, the zone was decent. It was also passing the wick that I kind of wanted it to pass, so.
Let's go down.
Just go down. Do your thing, 21. Do your thing. Oh, fuck off, gold. Really? Had a second to go break even, really, yeah. So, yeah, I mean, we'll have to decide. I mean, 30 minutes got, yeah, 40 minutes left. We'll see how we close here. But still, it's still okay. You know, 50 minutes still close bearish. Could you manage risk on the break of the previous highs? Yeah, you could do if you fancied it. technically should feel a wick. Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm not worried yet. I think yeah, if you start closing, you know, above here, 1973.8, then yeah, it's not the best. But still, now it's okay. The 5 minutes just retesting. Overall, still bearish, so it's still good. Do your thing, 21. Do your thing.
She go back to 66, baby.
A lot easier to manage on bigger stops, yeah. How's GJ doing? Nothing much yet. Still nothing really, yeah. Manage risk getting axed. No, I will once the 30 closes. Yeah. Once the 30 closes. Oh, look at that fake out on the 5, man. So we've got a minute 40 left for the 5. You sold at the low of the 5 minute next time you wait for order flow pullback. No, I sold at the perfect time. I just maybe I should have gone break even, but it's hard to see when the zone's decent. Just maybe
You out?
No.
I'm
not out yet. I'm ages away from my stop at the moment. It's still fine. It's just looking at how to deal with the pullback is all. But it's still good. 11 minutes left. We'll see. Yeah, I saw like, how should I see, 14 pips I saw. So maybe you should have gone break even the half mark. Fuck, man, it gives you a second though to go break even. That motherfucker was back at like 8.
Don't worry.
So 5 minute maybe coming back above. I don't like how the 15, so I closed 50%. Nice, well done. Yeah.
You close a half?
No, I haven't closed anything yet. I'm waiting for the 30, but people in the chat did. Break even, why? Because normally I go break even 50% of the stop, but I only just hit 14, so I kind of wanted to wait maybe a little bit more. But it wasn't enough.
Stasha, stay in the group, Max?
Nah, they're doing other stuff at the moment. Yeah. Oh, that's so annoying, man. Really good, nice little push there. Just the retracement's been hard. I mean, 1 5 minute really here. Fucking bastard. Should have waited for the wick up. I did wait for the wick up. All I should have done there was gone break even. That's the only thing that I maybe went on. But it literally only hit my 50% right there. So I had a second to maybe put it on. Right. Obviously, it's going to go retest this level here. On the 5 minute. Let's take a look at GJ now. Still nothing.
Okay, you take me out.
Yep. Oh, that's the worst feeling ever. I can't deal with that feeling anymore.
Bye bye.
That is the
1%.
worst feeling. Oh, we're so close to going break even, man.
Nice trade, Max.
Yeah, well, it was nice.
Couple wins in the shot.
Yeah. It's normal GJ, yeah. GJ's just fucking around. Also, I would be off if we break even. Well, no, go stop us to break even. Risk-free trade, that's all. Haram top wick, yeah, that was a big top wick. Has to go retest this level though, makes sense. I mean, on the 5 minute. Should have just gone break even there. Fucking bastard, man. Give me a second to put my stops to break even.
No problem, but it just happened.
I know, but it's
So good, wake up and lose 1%. Now he coming back.
um, 5 minute looks like a W to me. Yeah, it does there. Retest is there. It's not bad. Yeah. W. Oh, that's the worst. I can't deal with that feeling anymore, man. The feeling of like just. This is why it's, you know, 10 pips to just take your fucking money and leave. It's just like annoying. But there was one wick, I mean, I suppose, but we did break it. It was looking good. Just whilst we were checking the left hand side, man wicked up. 3 pips back to entry, and yeah, it's a shame. So prices come back up now. Where should gold go? Yeah, gold's fucking shit until 1993. Yeah, 1993. Literally worst feeling, all good though. Yeah, it's actually a feeling that the feeling, for me it's fine. It's just when other people lose on that, and then they ask me, why didn't you go break even? I go, yeah, well, it would literally just tap 50%. So obviously with no spreads, then it looks like it's gone past 50%. But, yeah. Risky sells, they weren't risky. It was a 30 minute, it was an hourly closure below. It's just prices pushed up. Hourly reflip entry. Nah, it's this 50 minute and the 30 is gonna close bullish in a second back above. No. 4 hours gonna reflip. No. Trade the earning range, yeah. What do you think? 1 hour M formation, is it a retest? 1 hour M? I haven't done on the 1 hour, so I have no idea. But yeah, I mean, looking at it there, yeah, it's retested right now, yeah. Those candles as well, those strong candles. Ah, God. I think another 1 hour M2. People are looking to still sell after such a bullish candle. Fair dues. Okay, so the daily time frame maybe reflipping here. Fucking bastard. That's why you wait for London. That's why you wait for London. What? Right, okay. I'm sick of this chat, guys. I'm gonna go off. I can't be asked. I can't be asked. I mean, it's just puts me in a foul mood. And anything else now? I mean, the gold cells is the only thing that I wanted. Buys are ages away. So yeah, GJ looks a little bit shit. Wait on. You guys chill. We need to know. I think max double risk. Nah, I actually didn't. I'll show you. So yeah, looking like it just needs to retest GJ here. Yeah, that's it. That's it for this time being. We need a little high on the daily if you guys want those sells. Yeah, GJ is ass. Did Wixie take a trade? Where's it gonna go? Oh yeah. Let's see. The old me would have been triggered about this. Yeah, well, that's me at the moment. I'm triggered. Sometimes you can be triggered. I haven't been triggered in a while, but that pissed me off. That's right. And also, like, after you just like, yeah, you know what, fuck this. Like, if I was by myself, if I was trading by myself like the old days, I would just be like, fuck this, leave. Some stuff like that just gets you wound up, you know. Beautiful, no drawdown, and it whacks you out so quickly with no management. It's just like, yeah, this is bullshit. But we did get to the rejection wicks. It's just it didn't give me a second to go break even. It's sad because it was actually gave all the confirmation it was laying. Yeah, it's just the situations that occur that are painful are when you're just about to go break even and then it hits your stops. That's one of the most painful. The second one is when it missed your entry by 1 pip and then runs to TP. That's also a painful one. And they've all happened recently, so it's just like, you know, it's just painful. Another one is when I get entered in or when I don't get entered in and people in the mentorship do or don't get entered in and then therefore they miss a trade or lose a trade. That's painful. It's like, oh, this is not a vibe. Normally you handle losses well. First time I've seen you take it. How has novice traders react? Well, yeah, man. Well, exactly. That's when you know it's just pissed me off. So yeah, for now, there's this fuck all. That was the only one that I wanted, really. So you just gotta wait. I can't believe that City team beat. It was like that's like their third team beat Chelsea. It's mad. Been considering stop tracing there. Max will smoke you up, bro. It'll help. What was the risk for that? I lost 1.7 because I double risked after we closed below but managed it. My original trade hit stop loss. I risked 1.4 and lost 1.4. Yep. Looks like the 1 hour needed a top wick. Yeah, but I think in terms of just overall sims, you don't really need to. Don't you like this video? Do dispensaries in the UK sell THC vapes? No. Yes, CBD ones. This is the CBD one, but the THC, no. No. I feel also the me being a bit more real with like how I feel is better for people as well. Like, just so like you can look over and go, well, you know, Max is doing decent overall in this year. You can still feel a bit annoyed about a trade, you know. Don't be beating yourself up about it. For me, this one, it's pissed me off, which is fair. As long as you acknowledge that it's pissed you off and you back off, which is exactly what I've done. It's if it pisses you off and all you want to do is try and re-enter. That's the stuff you've got to leave. But being human, you know, that's painful. You were very, very close to go and break even. If it gave me maybe 1-2 seconds more, I would have gone, right, guys, go break even. And by the time I was going to say that, I was already at my entry. What happened to Vinny Jr.? What happened to Vinny Jr.? Yeah, I am contemplating to go break even, but I was anticipating a pullback to continue down. No problem though, we move forward. Yes, sir. I agree. You said this to Tom the other day. It's good to see even at your level you're emotional. Yeah. Not very often, but that one there, it's just like, what? Just had confirmation you're not a robot, lol. I just pains. Especially because this month's been so like painful. It's like, oh man, that'd be nice. 3 wins. Oh well. Yeah, we just gotta wait here. We just gotta be patient. Did anyone go break even in the chat? Did anyone go have time to maybe go break even? I just didn't at all. I just wicked up so quickly. I mean, we got in like there. So by the second minute, I mean, there it was already up. We traced 8 pips. I did a very, very good job. Good job. Vinny Jr. got angry because of non-stop racist chants. Oof, yeah, that's rough. Managed to secure 3 pips profit as profit, right? Very nice. Let me just add right into this chat. But it's still early, man. It's still 7:38, so we just gotta wait patiently now. I mean, I'm gonna wait below 1970 now. I think it's the easiest way to do it. How's the hourly looking? Yeah, 20 minutes left for the hourly. Buys. Where's Kiko going? What did you do, my man? Did you go break even or not? Little bastard. He's gone. I see buys before it looks bullish. Yeah, I mean, you know, if we get above, it's got a while though because the zone's pretty choppy, and to be honest, but above 1993 is going to be great. To get at least a 2000, and then furthermore, I think that would be great. I think that would be gorgeous. Did Wixie get anything? No. Wixie hasn't had much in the Asian session recently, has it? It's been pretty slow.
What are you looking right now, Max?
Nothing, bro. There's nothing that I see.
Oh, okay.
GJ's ranging, goalies.
I think you talk about gold go up.
Yeah, above 1993. If you get above 1993, yeah. Oh yes.
This is what you feel.
Well, I know if it gets above there, we've got a clean zone. It should be good. Sure. Oh yes. Oh, you mean a fake out? Yeah.
Well, you think he's go like a 86, 84?
I have no idea. Right now, all I know is that we're below 1975. That's a support. We're still pretty bearish for the day. 4 hours still bearish. The daily's bearish. So, I mean, for me, it's gonna have to be buys much further above. Now the 30-minute looks like trash. Yeah, it does. It does.
I'm feeling disgusting, bro.
Why?
Long time I don't wake up, I lose 1%.
Yeah.
I'm feeling like I Somebody kicked my balls.
Yep. Especially being in some profit as well. It's a painful experience.
My head just says, take the kids and bring them to fucking school.
You should do, man. If you're feeling that way, yeah, just come back.
Yeah, I just play with you.
Gold M Max. So you've been on the 5.
I know gold all the time, keep myself. Will make you happy or just happen?
Max, check the 5 minute. If I was to take cells, it would be below 971 exact to the left. Check it. Yeah. 1971. This fucking wick to the left hand side. I was actually checking at the time that bastard 14 pip move. So yeah, it's still got a little bit of traffic here, to be fair. 1970 would be the next zone below, because you've got this support here. But yeah, the M's and W's in recent times have been, they've been getting pretty good, which is nice. I think the M's are like 80%. Yeah, W's are 66% win rate, so not bad. They're getting up. Obviously, it's a small data set at the moment, but it'll get more and more. So in terms of 8 o'clock, we'll see. But it looks like Goldie's got to bring some volume in at least one direction. At the moment, it's not really doing much. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see. You taking this out? No, because there's an untested area right there. Oh yes, untested area right there. Therefore, price can tap that and then retrace. Gotta be careful. Don sent out a gold signal early today and closed around 30 pips at 1975. Very nice. Maybe the 5 minute closure. There? Point 4, yeah, it was that closure there. And then he would have done pineapples there as well. It's good. It's good shit. So yeah, we gotta wait. Looking like GJ's maybe on the run over here. So let's bring some volume in, which is good. Very good, very nice. Entered on EJ and the M. Ooh. Very nice. Did it close below? Yeah. That was nice. Very, very nice. TP1 there already. That was decent. Yeah. Very, very nice. The M's and W's seem to work on all pairs, really, eh? Even the EJ looks good. How into the channel? Do you swing any at all? No, I don't. I do not. I do not. Didn't close below your terminal. Ah, shit. Close, but not close enough. Not close enough. But yeah, I really enjoyed Bassey in London. I wouldn't mind moving there, to be fair. It was decent. I enjoyed it. So yeah, I think it's just I'm kind of glad that I kind of show, you know, it's all right to sometimes feel a bit like, oh, deflated. It's not, you know, I feel some people maybe be too hard on themselves and like, oh, why do I feel this way and Max is doing fine? Like, no, I still get pissed off at this sometimes. So you gotta remember, you are human, and being able to feel emotions is fine. Just dealing with them, right? I don't sit here, I don't try and get into a new trade. I just look back and go, yeah, man, I should have gone break even. That's it. And in the next hour or so, I'll completely forget about it. Just move on. And that's all it is. How's your month been, Max? Pretty shit, to be honest with you. It's been boring, man. It's been pretty boring. 8 wins, 6 losses. Round about the break even, maybe like 1%. Well, for me, it's been good because I took quite a lot of trades last week. But overall, yeah, for the signal, it's been quite slow. I'm up around 6% for the month. With that trade there, probably around about 5. Yeah. Kind of fellas, when they come in, oh, you're on a 6 win streak, very nice. Yeah, I was on a little 3 win streak there. So a bit of volume coming on GJ here now, which is good. We've got 10 minutes left for 8 o'clock. So yeah, I mean, goalies just came back up to 19.5 and just hovering there at the moment, eh? This one's got a trend line on. I can't see anything yet, really, that I'm interested in. I'm still up 5% for the month at least. Yeah, it's not bad. It's just not where I want to be, to be honest. That's the only thing. DJ's coming down. Could you get below 171,200? Would it make sense in the 4 hours? Yeah, you'd have to get a closure though. Could still be pretty nice though. These buys with 1976.6 are interesting because we're closing back in the range to fill it back up. On the gold day. Well, it's reacted off those. It's reacted off those 4 hour the daily wicks. So yeah, it's at a very, very strong level. I'm gonna wait below 970 for the sells now. Yeah, I think in this area, maybe just being a bit cautious of the higher time frames and the rejection. I was actually checking where this wick was whilst it was actually retracing to my entry, so I should just go and break even there. So I'm take this Asian soup. Do you know what I haven't seen recently in so long? Fake outs, man. Fake outs have not been here for a while, eh? Fake outs are just not there. They're just not around, eh? And previous 4 I didn't have much of a bottom wick. Yeah, that's true. That's true. So GJ come back down to Asian lows, and obviously the zone for Asian was very, very small. It wasn't big at all, really. 35 pips. If you like buy some 1976, you're gonna need a bottom wick. Yeah. Indeed. What do you think of the 5-minute trend line on gold? I haven't really been backtesting trend lines in a while, so I kind of just want to leave it, to be honest. I mean, yeah, and for me, I draw it on this high to that one there, so it'd be much further on either. Hey, I'm sorry, I'm a bit confused. Is London open in 5 minutes? Yeah. 5 minutes is London open, yep. It is open. Sweet cheers. 250 people already. Wow, it's not even 8 o'clock yet, which is nice. Thank you for turning up. Do you execute on MT? Yes. Oh, yes. With magic keys as well. Magic keys. New. Holding this GJ to possibly drop more with volume, yeah. Hopefully. It should do. What else? So yeah, I mean the 4 hour and the daily is starting to come down now. 4 hour maybe breaking previous low. Daily time frame as well. That would be great. Yeah, I need to watch all these celebrations and shit. Like a Haaland.
And honestly, I think this is what Pep appreciates about me probably also the most. I mean, I'm not the most special player in terms of giving a decisive assist.
Ah, bless him. I'm not the most special player.
But I think my qualities are more in terms of bringing my teammates into the best possible situation, you know, to give them the most easy solutions. Leading them, actually, which is crucial in their.
That Haaland playing with Foden's kids.
Because you do have to know the game, and these lads do know the game. So when you're at
it seems of 14 million pounds, but how
does help when you come into a winning team, and then you need with them. I know
these celebrations this time, Pep. Does it feel more special every time you win this trophy?
Yes, of course.
3 in a row. That is mad. What a manager, man. What a manager. Let's take a look here. You look at any trades at the open max. I can't see much yet. Colt is just sitting around. GJ is not on my levels yet, so no, not at the moment. What about you? What about you? Anyone eyeing up something? Look at EJ. How's EJ doing? Wow, look at that. Almost a treat. Three-minute fake out, 1 hour fake out for gold. I feel buys. Yeah, I mean the hourly closing above there would be decent. Zone above the support right there. That's my only issue. It's not very clean. There hasn't been too much. What's good, Max? How are you? I'm good, man. Good. We're chilling. So there's the hourly closure. GJ's closed below Asian. But there's still quite big support right here. So yeah, you need to wait below 171, 240, I think. Those Chelsea supporters, man. Those Chelsea supporters on TikTok are hilarious. Like that little guy is hilarious. So looking like it's still respecting it. Interesting. And yeah, GJ just not there yet, but it should get there. Hopefully in this session or maybe in NY. Bye. Have a good day. Love y'all. Have a great day. I went to the Gymshark place as well in London. It was sick. It's got like its own gym and stuff. Which is pretty cool. Not Gymshark. Has like its own bar as well. Pretty cool. It's quite a big store. It's huge. So there's a top wick of the hourly obviously being made, and bottom wick of the hourly being made on Goldie. Right. But yeah, is anyone looking at anything? Anyone in the chat? Are you actually looking for something? What are you guys looking for? People are saying M on gold. Yeah, it's hasn't retested this level yet, so it's a risky business. Looking for sells once we break the 5-minute range on gold. Ooh, yeah. Gold sells below 1971.58. Okay, everyone's looking for sells below, back below. Yeah. For me now, I'm going to wait until 1970. I think that zone below is a little bit harder than I expected. I mean, you can see in the 4 hour the wicks, to be fair. I think this is why I'm kind of upset about this trade this morning, because I think I should have just gone break even and got the push. Just because there was a little bit of wicks there. Rejections, so yeah. Also, you can see the 5-minute there were wicks that were rejected. Yeah, exactly. 171.230 is a little support, but the zone to the left hand side, there's a little bit of a 50-minute resistance there, so I think it's just a bit easier below 171 flat, or 179.80. Yep. Still nothing, no movement, man. It's funny how that gold just retraced that level and just kind of sat there for a while. Right at the 4-hour flip. It's a very poor level. 1975 as well. It's a, it's quite an important level there. Dr. Dollar streaming today. See if he is. I think he's actually just moved somewhere. Yeah, he's gone. He's not there at the moment. But yeah, I really do like a bit of London. I'm not gonna lie, I think it was decent. It's obviously very busy, like compared to other places, but it's nice. It's actually pretty good. But I didn't know you could, yeah, look, apartments, that's sick. I don't think we were getting a next trade this London. Yeah, it's looking a little bit slow, eh? Yeah, there's a little apartment I was buying, that's sick. Let's Goldie reflipped on the 15. Reflipped on the 30-minute. Update trade this month. Okay, I'll do that. I'm actually just want to say thank you for the losing trade. I've gone full margin now and lost my wife, my mortgage, my kids for this one trade. You cracked me up, boy. Oh, I've got boxing later as well. I forgot about that. Get in. Boxing time. So looking at goalies blasting up, as I say, I don't like any of the zone above on goalies. That's fine. And GJ is slowly but surely pushing down still. There's an extra gold. 5-minute push. Very nice. Need a 30 pip zone push. Nah, I'm just joking. I know you are, man. Don't worry about that. They don't take the hourly fake out. I don't think that would have worked. Very, very quick push there. How long did it take you to go full time? Like 3 years. Like 3 years, yeah. But I'm not gonna lie. As I go to London, every single time I go to London, the less I want to trade. To be honest with you, it's yeah. You know, people are like doing their jobs. They're going out after. They've got banter. They've got stuff like that. I do think I miss that. So you need to remember that. Sometimes you've got to weigh out why you're doing it. You know, do you like doing it? I do enjoy doing it, but it's meant for introverts, and I am not an introvert in the slightest. I thought you saw VMAX. That's just a CBD one. You missed the 9 to 5. Not missing the 9 to 5. Is that I never had it, so I don't know. You know, I've had the 9 to 5 in terms of a normal job, but not like a corporate, like a, you know, a big boy job. You know, like a big beefy one. You're saying Forex is meant for introverts? Yes, 100%. Of course it is. You sit at your desk all day and talk to a camera. Well, if you're by yourself, you sit at your desk all day. So yeah, it is meant for introverts.
Let's buy some gold, Max.
Just tap the little area over here on the 5-minute. I've been in the two sides 1,000 times. Yeah, that's true. But just seeing everyone going out after work and like that's what I miss. You know, I don't do that here. That's what I would miss. Max Wood and Gold took a dynamic on entry on the retracement, which secured 15 pips. Very nice. You can meet Ollie after NY. Yeah, that's true. I dislike it, lol. I enjoy communicating with a monitor more than a people. But I just realized that when I go home, when I see people, I just don't talk to many people off. My half everyone doing service jobs and having to deal with people, yeah. Have you heard of an omnivert? No. What the hell's that? An omnivert? Look at that gold rejection, man. Damn. Beefy rejection, that. Just the hourly push. But yeah, I'm basically looking, I mean, as I said, for the cells at 970 and 970.9. So all you really got to do here is, you know, have your alerts on when you get there, just like this. And you just vibe until then. So like 179.84. If people that are both introverted and extroverted, yeah. Yeah, but people like I'm extroverted, but I don't need to be around people. I'd prefer it, but I wouldn't get out. You know, I wouldn't stress out about not being by myself. You know, mate. Let's put that both introverted, yeah. Look at that rejection of them gold buys. Damn. I thought I was about to reflip again. Shit, look at that, man. I mean, it's pushed up, what, 30 pips there? Sorry, 25. Now it's come back down. Because we still are, at the moment, in just a little bit of a bearish trend. So tempted on gold. Yeah, it's got the rejection for the new hourly. So we'll see. I mean, it's coming down hot. I entered a sell on the flip of the hourly. Yeah, that's fair. To get that rejection. Makes sense, makes sense. But it's good that it's starting to push now, which is good. So, yeah, I just had to have a bit more of a retracement there. 4 hour did as well. Bit of a retracement. But I think... yeah, you just gotta wait for the zone below. I think there's too many wicks in this area here. So maybe when the 4 hour closes. Whatever, I'll wait for the next 30 closure, yeah. Yeah, the 30 closure bearish would be decent. But I still think, you know, if you look in this zone, there's a lot of rejections, man. I think you gotta wait much further below. So 15 just closed, making a top wick. Yeah, it's not like it closed below anything, you know. It's still just in this area. You gotta wait for much further below. 100% better is wait for NY or till it breaks below. Yeah. Oh yes. Woke up, did I miss something? We took a gold sell later on, before here. And yeah, we got into 14 pips profit, but didn't go break even, unfortunately. Which hurts my soul. So yeah, I think it's 1970. Oh, look at GJ. GJ's still coming, which is good. Very nice, GJ. I think this gold's gonna struggle in this area, man. So yeah, if I was you, I'd wait 970 there. I've got a little alert on so I can look later on. Should be good. Break in the previous 30-minute lows now. Daily breaking daily lows on GJ, 4-hour lows obviously. So yeah, it's looking good. Not a good day for gold traders. It's been fine. It's just a little bit of an error there that you've just got to be on the ball for, man. Which is, and especially with the zone like that, you should be having at least a couple seconds, couple minutes maybe to manage to go and break even. But man, that motherfucker wicked. So coming below 171,200, very nice. What the fuck is gold doing on the lower time frame? My god. Is it gonna break? It's really respecting this 1975 area. So many wicks. So yeah, I think the best thing is probably looking for GJ instead of gold, to be honest. I think that's the easiest solution. Yeah, look at that. This Goldie does not want to go down. If you guys took those sells there a bit impulsively, be a little bit careful, man. There's still a lot of work there. Right, let's do a little Wordle while we wait. For this GJ to close, potentially. I played this game with Caitlin. She was useless at it. Surprised for being a lawyer, to be fair. Are they both yellow? They're both yellow, aren't they? I'm closing break even. Yeah, I think that's reasonable on gold. I think it's in a hard little area there. Yep. Yes, indeed. Widow pretty hard today. Ooh. There's no O there, fuck. Bingo.
See you soon, Max.
See you later, brother. Have a good day, my man. See you later, see you later. Have we had a second trade today? Took a nap? No. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, this gold's going to try and break again. Below this little 5-minute support it's making. So we got an O at the end. Okay. What could actually go there then? So an O and an I on there, they're all vowels. This one's hard, isn't it? Igloo. Ah, it's gonna be it, isn't it? Yes. Oh, yes. Yeah, igloo. Nice. Glove. Glove would have done it as well. Let's see, look at that. Yes, Goldie is holding. Look at the 1 minute. 1 minute W. Oof. Those buys are going to get slaughtered. Sorry, those sells. But yeah, I've still got that alert on for later on. Below 970. We're pretty happy with that. And GJ's got a while to get to. People might be asking why do I not look below here. It's just because there's a resistance like there as well. I actually think, yeah, I mean, maybe below. What does that look like? Maybe below 171, 100. Wouldn't actually be too bad. How does that look like on the 30 minute? Yeah, a little bit of resistance there. Not too bad. I did so many walking as well for London, man. Even the underground, it's so much walking. My feet were in agony after. Let's see how many. So, what was Saturday though? Saturday did 16,000 steps. Friday did 21,000. And then, so Sunday 16,000. Saturday 21. And then Friday 13. So, a lot of walking. Yeah, Max, it's true about gold. You have to be on the ball. Yeah. I just wish I went break even. Ah, it was a painful thing. And there's no one else to blame but yourself. So it's just like, even, it just hurts your soul. It's like, oh, I should have gone break even, man. Fuck. That's the pain of it, man. If there's anything else that you can, you know, but trading, the only thing to blame is yourself. It's just like, oh, beating yourself up. That's what it is. A lot of the time, it's beating yourself up, which is sometimes quite painful and tiring. So yeah, might go for a walk the dog. Nothing happening for me. Yeah, I think still got a while to wait here. NY is pretty clean price action. Late NY, yeah, but the normal NY is horrendously bad. Like between 11 and 12, sorry, 11 and 1, it's the past 2 months, I'd say it's been pretty slow. Oh, did anyone watch that Devin Haney fight? I need to watch it because apparently he shouldn't have won. Yeah, apparently he really shouldn't have won. Loma got robbed. Wow. I think everyone's saying that. Have they got the highlights out? Was it? Why was he so raw? Like, what was the actual thing? Do you have to watch the whole thing? Because obviously it's not a knockout, is it? So you can't like see. Not definitely. Why? Have they got like the highlights somewhere, maybe? Devin Haney. I actually watched Devin Haney's old other fights. He was pretty good, but yeah, apparently he shouldn't have won the last one. They were tied up until round 9. Oof. I wonder if the guy that I know has watched it. What was that guy's rating? Sorry, what was that guy's record? That guy's. Oh, that looked like a good fight. Was it a good fight? Was it actually like a good fight, or was it just a bit shit? It looks pretty good. Yeah, good fight. Yeah. Ooh, that's a shot and a half. That. So GJ's rejected. Gold's fucking around. Ooh. He's Ukrainian as well. He's 35 years old. Fucking hell. What's his record? What? Okay. 17 wins, 3 losses. Is that 3 losses? Fuck off. Imagine being in a ring with them, though. For me, the main thing that people forget is just the cardio, bro. Like, boxing is tiring as fuck. Like you know, 2 rounds and I'm butchered. Like, they're doing 12. I mean, that's just ridiculous. I think that's by far the most, you know, physically demanding one. Like, obviously UFC as well. Do you not think, like, when I play like tennis, I'm also like not butchered at all. Like, I could play tennis all day, like really aggressively as well. I don't really get tired with tennis. It's just the same movement again and again. Football, on the other hand, football is tiring because it's just so much running. Like, I feel tennis is really easy. I could play tennis all day. But running like football, damn. You know, you're just running so much. So 30-minute closing duel with Near on GJ. And Gold's really messing around, but you can see that from the lower time frames. I was watching on my terminal as well. Every single time we came down here, we rejected, so it was not looking too good. So the people who got in those cells there, just be a little bit cautious with them. You know, you go with volume, but it's like, yeah, there's no closure. The zone isn't the cleanest, but it's all good. I mean, I picked a zone that was pretty clean, but there was a rejection wick, and I should have probably gone break even there. Anyhow. Basketball is tough, man. If you're not strong and for your lungs will out of your mouth. How much do they run now? How much do basketball players run in a game? Yeah, like, bro, come on. 2.8 miles. Tennis 3 miles. 1.2, 2.5 miles. Look, soccer 7 miles, and that's 7 miles is not even like half of it. I don't think. It's better. Like, how much is like? How much does Bernardo? How much do on average do players run in a game? 10K. Like, fucking hell, yeah. 10 kilometers a match, whilst also changing direction, whilst also running back. Like, that's ridiculous. Bernardo Silva, I'm pretty sure, runs like 14, isn't it? Central midfield is roughly 11K. Yeah. Central midfield is 11 kilometers. I mean, that's ridiculous. Yeah, you're right. 7 miles is wrong. It's 10. Yeah. Max mature buy levels, what, for gold? 1992. I don't really like any of these zones above. I think they're a little bit too choppy. Yeah. And there's 81 games in the season. What is gold W? There's no W there that I would like to take. I see what you mean. 13.7 kilometers is the record on Premier League for Bernardo. Wow. That's ridiculous. That is fucking amazing, mate. Basketball is tough, yeah. What other one? I mean, basketball... I don't know, I suppose you're jumping as well, but yeah, just sliding on that. Oh, look at this. This is the stats. Total punches, 22%, 27. Thrown, 54. Landed, so you landed more. He jabbed 12%. Thrown more, landed more. He had more power punches. But he thrown and landed more. Oh, yeah. 100% more there.
Boxer that's ever lived.
Ladies and gentlemen, here inside the Haney is third world.
I wonder what this said.
113. All in favor of your winner by unanimous decision. And still undisputed lightweight champion of the world, Devin the Dream Haney!
Devin Haney is 30-0. He defends the undisputed championship by defeating Vasily Lomachenko in a classic. And you can see the expression on Lomachenko's face. And you can hear the reaction from the crowd.
Oh, it's that bad. Even the crowd.
Dave Moretti had the widest margin. 116, 112, 115, 113 was 2 times. Bernardo.
Devin, very close fight from ringside.
Thanks
Devin, very close fight from ringside. And how did it feel inside the ring to be in there with Vasily Lomachenko?
Say it again, I couldn't hear you.
Very close fight from ringside. What did it feel like to be in there against Vasily Lomachenko?
Man, Lomachenko is a future. He's a future Hall of Famer. It was a blessing. But first up, I want to say, Alhamdulillah, thank you Allah for this victory tonight. I just want to thank Allah for this, because without Allah, none of this was possible. Like I said, I got to take my head off to Loma. He's a future Hall of Famer. He's my toughest opponent by far. He's very crafty, and we put on a great fight for the fans.
He's 35 though. Wow. Rigged or what? I think just the obviously, like, if someone is like if someone hasn't lost, then isn't there like a leeway that they might keep him going? Like, yeah, it's a bit. What's your buy levels? For me, gold is just ages away, 992. This gold is looking awful now, I'm not gonna lie. And GJ sells blues 179.992. I had a parlay on Loma and the Heat winning today, got robbed. Oof. Yeah, you heard about the beef between Tommy Fury and John Jones? Oh yeah, Tommy said he would beat him. Not Tommy. Tyson, yeah. Oh, I've seen Vinny Jr.'s post.
Looking, guys, this is life, man.
Huh? See NY, man. See you later, NY, brother. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it. I think I'm gonna leave it here as well, guys. People in the mentorship, I'll message in the chat if we do get one of our alerts. But for the meantime, I mean, Gold's just doing absolutely fuck all. And the only thing that I really want is the GJ below. So yeah, we'll wait on over here, guys. Later on, we'll do NY. But yeah, thank you so much for coming on. I'm really sorry about the trade this morning. It was beautiful. Got to 14 pips. Just wish I went break even towards that wick, but I didn't have much time to react off that. But anyway, it's all good. So thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, all that kind of stuff. I'll see you in the next one. See you tomorrow, man. Peace out. Adios. See you later, guys. Peace out. See you guys in a while. See you later. I'll start a stream maybe like an hour's time or something. We'll get back on. But yeah, guys, thank you. Peace out. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.